Hi guys, in today's video we're going to learn how you could transfer a title from a property. Very easy guys, very simple. We're utilizing BART AI in this example. So the couple of things that you should usually focus very deeply and to be very concentrated on is that you need to identify the type of the transfer. Is it gonna be a sale? Is it gonna be a gift? Is it gonna be an inheritance? So if you currently sold your property, you are going to be looking for a sale, okay? So this is very important because the type of the transfer is the main step over here. The second thing is to gather the documents. So in this example, we have to gather the deeds, we have to gather the title proofs, the tax documents, and of course, depending on the situation, other documents might be required. The third step is to choose the right deed. There are different deeds offer different guarantees. You have a general warranty, you have a quick claim. You always want to make sure that you have in the process a lawyer that you can trust, a lawyer with experience, because they're the one who probably doing this like 10 times a day. So they know exactly where you can make a mistake or where you can take advantage of. Okay. Step 4 will simply be to complete and sign the deed. You need to ensure that everything is accurate, all the legal compliance are in place, and you need to consider notary services, right? For some cases, if this is required, depending on the state or what is the particular case. Step 5 is to file the deed. You need to submit it to the county recorder's office, and you have to pay the required fees. This is part of the process. This is usually if you use a lawyer can do that for you. Step number 6 is to update the taxes and the insurance. You want to make sure that you notify the government that this is no longer your property, so they're not going to seek property taxes from you. And of course, you always, every single step that you're doing in the preparation, in the execution of the whole process, you want to consult with the lawyer, because there are things that we don't know. We don't sell properties every day. We don't transfer deeds or titles every day. So this is why you want to make sure that you have an expert or consultant next to you every step of the way. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.